guys, it's Lauren here with the Pavement Ends channel, and today it's another no camping day because we're busy working here at Pavement Ends World Headquarters. So as you can see here, been building a new driveway, new road, a lot of trees and dirt to be moved here. And I apologize for not taking some more video of this. To be honest with you, I got pretty involved with the project, and for some reason it just I'd forget to go get the camera. So anyway, that's just the first part of the project. We'll walk up the road here a little bit and I'll show you what else we got in mind. There's the machine that's doing all the work. But all this junk is going to go. This ground over here needs to come down up to 30 inches in some places. There's a lot of material to be moved. Well guys, the days are flying right by here. Instead of camping, I'm working. This lot is going to be leveled off here. That's what I'm working on. And removing some dead trees that are dangerous. Wind or something can topple them over. And if you're wondering what you need for a project like this, well, here's a real short list of materials. You need some land, a small tractor or two. You'll need an excavator, you need a brother-in-law named Mike with a dump truck named G.I. Joe, and a chainsaw. This is kind of mutually beneficial because I need to get rid of material and he needs the material to fill in some low spots on his place. Well guys, gosh, going on 6 months has passed, and the driveway, as you can see, is essentially done. We'll probably clean it up a little bit in the spring, polish it off after everything's settled and packed down real good, and that'll take care of that. Maybe improve a little drainage as well. Also got some of this rock work done, which I think looks really nice. It's not really a retaining wall, but it just sort of hides the ugly bank and makes it look like a retaining wall. So I'm fairly happy with that, how that turned out for the most part. Anyway, towards the end of the project, we burned some of our materials that we cleaned off, you know, branches and trees and whatnot, and had a nice bonfire with some friends and family over, and barbecued up some food, and it turned out really nice. So between now, which is November of 21, and the end of May, part of June, that I shot the other footage, I've been laid up for a few months. And well, last few weeks I've been feeling better and been getting a little bit of camping in, some traveling in, and yeah, the issue's starting to come back on me, so there may be some more gaps. But I have shot some camping footage, which you'll be able to look up on the channel here. I may post that first before I post this. We'll see. We'll be trying to get some more videos up, because I am really anxious to get out and do some more traveling and overnighting and overlanding. And in the meantime, hope to see you guys soon out on the back roads. Thanks for watching. That's what I call a campfire.